Hey YouTube, today we're going to be doing a giveaway video. It's 20 seconds, so we're going to be giving away the Hifonics bass knob that I posted about. We have all the names: Josh Stacy, TJ the Boater, Preston Trident, Martin Ortiz 95, Ty Annan, Bryce Biddick, John Work, and that's all the commenters. So we'll get to the selecting of the names. So this is what I'm going to be using. Just enter the lines up on here. Josh S, Ty Annan, Martin for short, Bryce, Preston, TJ, and John Wood. So we'll save the names and we'll get to select the names. So first, well, I guess I should tell you that we're going to be doing the first one that gets 10 selections will win the bass knob. So let's go. Martin down for 1. Bryce down for 1. Preston down for 1. Josh S down for 1. Ty Annan down for 1. John Work down for 1. TJ down for 1, right? Bryce down for 2. John Work down for 2. Preston down for 1 or 2, is it? 2. TJ down for 2. Josh S down for 2. Martin down for 2. Martin down for 3. Bryce down for 3. John Work down for 3. Josh S down for 3. TJ down for 3. John Work down for 4. Bryce down for 4. TJ down for 4. Oh, my computer's spasming. Josh S down for 4. Martin down for 4. Bryce down for 5. John Work down for 5. Ty Annan down for 2. Ty Annan down for 3. TJ down for 5. Bryce down for 6. Ty Annan down for 4, my bad. Josh S down for 5. Ty Annan down for 5. Preston down for 3. Martin down for 5. Ty Annan making a comeback down for 6. Preston down for 4. Josh S down for 6. TJ is down for 6 is down for 6. Bryce is down for 7. Preston is down for 5. Preston down for 6. John Work down for 6. Bryce is down for 8. Josh S is down for 7. TJ is down for 6. John Work is down for 7. Martin is down for 6. John Work down for 8. Bryce down for 9. Tyanan down for 7. Martin is down for 7. TJ is down for 8. Josh S is down for 8. Martin is down for 8. John Work is now 9. And Bryce is at 10. Well, I guess Bryce Biddick, you have won, so since you live around here, I guess you could just see this video and just get back to me. I'm sure you could just pop on by, but Bryce Biddick is won. Not sure if he has any videos up, no, but he's the winner of this, and hopefully in the future I'll be doing more giveaways, maybe on little mid-base subs or small subs, or just something that I have lying around, maybe speakers, but stay tuned. See you guys later, and Team Implode Audio for the win.